No matter how we slice and dice it, and how we cut and splice it, that win by the West Indies over Bangladesh is a big test match victory. And yes, it was Bangladesh. But yo, to chase down 395 runs on a fifth-day pitch on the subcontinent against the Bangladesh army of spinners was a very special effort. And remember now, this is in a context where some of our so-called big players opted out of the tour. And it was some new players like Kyle Mears and Nkrumah Bonner who led the West Indies charge to this famous victory. And none of us saw this coming. We all thought it was 6-1, half dozen of the other, and that the players who opted out of the tour would have lost, but these would have lost even worse. They proved us all wrong, as Coach Phil Simmons spoke glowingly about a different attitude with this group of players. So the natural question is, those players who turned them back on the team for this tour, the likes of Darren Bravo, Shamar Brooks, Shimron Hetmar, Shea Hope, Ruston Chase, and even skipper Jason Holder, should they be allowed to just walk back into the team? If you ask me say no. They need to go back and make runs in regional cricket and perform their way back into the West Indies team from scratch. If you ask me. If you ask me, some of them with them attitude not right, we need to run them permanently. What do you mean? If you ask me. You ask me.